Welcome to this video on how to start a for-profit business association, a step-by-step beginner's guide to building a thriving community. I'm ShaChena Gibbs, and I'm excited to share this blueprint with you. There's a paradigm shift happening from the traditional nonprofit to the for-profit association model. A for-profit association offers ultimate operational and financial freedom. It's a commercial enterprise driven by recurring membership dues, where profits can be distributed directly to owners. Why build a for-profit association? Key benefits include recurring revenue, community authority, and low startup costs. You also gain fulfillment and impact, brand amplification, and strategic partnerships. Step 1 is defining your mission and niche. A thriving association balances who you serve and what you solve. Identify your audience, focus on tangible solutions to their biggest challenge, and define your unique value. Step 2 covers legal and structural essentials. Protect your assets by choosing a business structure, like an LLC or S-Corp. Secure your EIN and banking. Draft member agreements and establish clear terms and bylaws. Step 3. Architect your membership tiers. Create 2 to 3 tiered packages with crystal clear value scaling at each level. We suggest a basic, premium, and VIP tier, but you should customize them to your association's needs. Step 4 is developing the revenue ecosystem. Beyond membership dues, you can activate income streams through events and workshops, sponsorships, digital products, advertising, and consulting and licensing. The more value you deliver, the more streams you can activate. Step 5 is building your dream team. Structure your organization to scale efficiently. This includes a board of advisors for strategy, core operations for execution, and outsourced support for scale, such as virtual assistants and freelancers. Step 6 is your launch and growth strategy. Phase 1 focuses on digital presence. Phase 2 creates strategic buzz with local mixers and webinars. Phase 3 is the founding member drive, launching with a special charter rate. See the model in action with the RSRWBA model, a proven architecture since 2003. It offers 3 tiers: Divine, Diamond, and Destiny, each providing escalating benefits from Business Academy access to exclusive CEO dinners. Here is your 30-day launch timeline. Week 1 is for defining your niche and choosing a name. Week 2 covers legal filing and drafting packages. Week 3 involves building your website and payment systems. Week 4 is for hosting an intro webinar and launching the founding member drive. Meet your guide, ShaChena Gibbs, CEO, founder, author, and AI strategist. I founded Real Sisters Rising WBA, bringing over 20 years of executive experience to serving women in business. My goal is helping women find the diamond in their destiny. Are you ready to build your business association? Let me help you launch right with structure, strategy, and support. Get a personalized roadmap from idea to launch by booking your consultation now.